Hey everyone, this is Veronica Wasek with 5-Minute Bookkeeping, and today I'm doing a review of Bookkeeper Business Launch. I am asked on a very regular basis from people who want to be bookkeepers, how do you get bookkeeper training when you've never been a bookkeeper? And I think that's a great question, and I've been struggling to find a resource that would really help you. But I have recently come across Bookkeeper Business Launch and their program, and I'm so impressed by it that I decided to become an affiliate of the program because it is so comprehensive. So I'll go ahead and give you my honest review of Bookkeeper Business Launch and walk you through all of the features that it has. So let's get started. Okay, so here we're looking at the Bookkeeper Business Launch course content, and they have quite a bit. So they have it broken down into skills, clients, systems, clients advanced, resources, and bonuses. The main thing that they want to start you out with is skills and really building that foundation, because again, if you've never been a bookkeeper, how do you even know where to start? Bookkeeping is not necessarily something you're going to learn on your own. So they have these modules here for Start Here. They teach you bookkeeping basics, financial statements, journals and ledgers, ethics, and law. So very comprehensive. They start you out again with the foundation right away. Next, you go into setup, and they walk you through setting up a QuickBooks file. So this is a sample company in which you do a setup. So let me just show you a little bit about that. They tell you how to sign up for the QuickBooks Pro Advisor program. They go through company settings, setting up chart of accounts, sales tax, opening balances, etc. So very comprehensive. It's all step by step. Next, they go into transactions and how to record transactions in QuickBooks. So you got cash receipts, cash disbursements, inventory, bank feeds, etc. Everything you'd want to know. And they have statements, also cleanup. So how do you approach cleaning up a client's books? They also test you. So you will need to go through the materials, and they have some final exams for you to go through and get a certificate from them. Also an area on interpreting financials and advising clients, which is very powerful because this is where you go from bookkeeper to advisor. They also have a section on clients, because you can get the technical knowledge, but then how do you get the clients? And after all, you're investing in this program, you've got to get clients to then pay for the program itself, and then obviously make a living being a bookkeeper. So they have sections on getting ready to earn, yakety yak, networking, putting together your irresistible selling statement, specialized groups, consult to close. So there's a lot of material there. Then you go into their systems, and here's where they share with you their processes, their checklists, their templates, their list of apps that they recommend. And this is really where the magic happens, and probably because I love systems and processes and checklists, but this is something that would save you hours, if not months and years, of putting this stuff together on your own, is getting the checklists and the templates to use in your business. Then they have a section for advanced clients. And what Ben Robinson told me is that, hey, we show you ways in which you can get clients, and you should be able to do it without spending money. But if then you wanted to really take your business to the next level after you have established yourself, they also have advanced methods for getting clients, and they share those with you. Next is resources. So they have all of these resources for you on launching your business. So let's take a look at that. So choosing your company name, forming a legal entity, getting your federal ID number, business licenses, opening bank accounts, setting up your own bookkeeping, getting insurance. So they have it all from beginning to end. They have recordings of their live Q&A sessions, recommended reading, some legacy content, and even bonuses, hacks and facts, and profit maximizer. And they're also a very tight-knit community. In fact, when you sign up for the Bookkeeper Business Launch, you also get to be part of their Facebook group, the BBL family, where you get support. They don't just teach you, they provide you ongoing support. And you also get lifetime access to all of the content as well as any new updates to the course. So if you're looking to start a bookkeeping business from scratch, I highly recommend that you check out Bookkeeper Business Launch. I think it'll be very well worth your investment to take you from zero to bookkeeper and everything in between. I'm Veronica Wasek. If you find this content helpful, then make sure that you like this video, share, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can get all of my latest videos.